Hi, in this video we will see how we can create email address by combining multiple columns data. So here we are seeing on Excel sheet is there are three columns: first name, middle name and last name. To create the email address we will use the concat function, but we are not going to write those function name manually over here. There are very easy tricks to do this thing. So one of the trick I will show you in this video. On our Excel there is an icon, it is called function icon. If we move our cursor over there, we'll see that thing. We just need to click here to open the insert function option. Once we are here, we need to choose a category. Like for this case, we are manipulating the text. So we have to choose the category text. So these are text and this is the text option type category. I just selected over there, and then we have to use on function that is called concat. We just need to choose it here, and then we have to press the OK button. Once we press the OK button, then it will open this type of window. Here it is showing that there are two text fields to concat. Now for example, from the first column we want to use only the first letter for our email address. So I'm going to type the function name as left, which means the left part of this cell data, then a parenthesis and the column name. So this is A and the cell number is 2. So I just type 2 and I need only one character. So I put a comma and then 1. If we type this, then we'll see on the left side and the last side it is printing the first column, the column's first letter. Now we need to do the same thing for the second part. So I'm just going to copy it and in text field I'm going to paste it. But here we need to change one thing. Here the column name, it should be changed. So it is in the middle name, that is column B. So we just need to type B instead of A. So I'm going to remove A and typing B, and on the right side we are seeing it is previewing that thing. Now the last part. So last part, basically we need the whole text. So I'm going to type the whole text over here. Here if we type the column name basically and the cell number, then it will give us the whole data. So I'm going to type C as a column C of this data and then C2, and it is showing the whole name. Now we need to add the company name or domain name. So this is a string, so I'm going to type a double quote and then inside it I'm going to type @, then the company domain name is suppose xyz.com, or for this case basically you will use your domain name. But if we check carefully, here we are seeing it is giving us everything, but the text 3, it has many spaces. That's why the email address is looking like that. It's not giving us the proper thing. There are a lot of spaces between the email address and @. So here we are seeing those things. So that means basically there are some spaces on column C to data. So we just need to trim all the empty space. There is a function, it is called trim. I'm going to use trim and then put a parenthesis, and then I'm wrapping the whole column data like C2 with the parenthesis, and now we are seeing everything is as usual and it is like a valid email address and there is no extra empty spaces are there, and we are seeing the preview. Now once it is done, then it's time to press the OK button to see the action. So I'm going to press this OK button to see how it looks like, and here we are seeing that the email address has been created successfully. If we want to copy this type of email format to other cells, we can do this thing. We can drag and then we can release our cursor, and here it is generating the email address for other user also. If you want to generate the whole data set, we can do flash fill. I'm not going to do this thing. I'm just going to drag this data to couple of rows data so that we can see that the email has been created successfully, just to check, and we will see this type of email address it is producing. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily create email address from our Excel data. Thank you guys for watching the video.